Can you buy or sell a home in Duval County and surrounding areas without losing thousands of dollars on your bottom line? But I all want that, right? Yes. But this isn't monopoly money. This is real life, real equity, and real stress if you mess it up. So what's step one? Hire an experienced realtor and not your cousin's friend that just received a license last week. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I'm Daly Braxton, your favorite realtor with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. I stay booked and busy for real, but let's have a little heart-to-heart for a minute. I've had a lot of conversation with buyers and sellers about using discounted brokers or working with agents who just don't have the damn experience. And honestly, it drives me crazy. Like watching someone microwave fish in the office at work kind of crazy. You know what I'm talking about. Because most of the time, those agents charge less because they bring less to the table. No real marketing, no negotiation strategy, and no clue how to attract serious buyers in today's Jacksonville market. But hey, they're cheap. So there's that. Now let's be real. Buying or selling a home is probably one of your biggest investments, second only to your body. And you wouldn't want to perform surgery on yourself, which hell no. That's just like trying to lick the bottom of your elbow. It's impossible. And if you're over there trying to do it, it's slight concerning. Now, let's use some logic. If you broke your hip, you wouldn't go to a foot doctor, right? You'll go to a specialist, someone that knows the blueprint. Same thing with your home. It's more than just walls and a roof. It's a financial machine that needs to be tuned, marketed, and sold the right way. You hire someone that knows how to make the math math. Because if you don't, you end up leaving money on the table or dealing with buyers who will ghost you harder than a bad hinge date. And let's not forget about negotiations, because real estate is chess, not checkers. If you were being sued, you wouldn't want someone saying, well, I know the law because I just watched Law and Order. You'll want somebody that lives in the courtroom, not someone that Googled it yesterday. Same thing in real estate. Don't trust your biggest asset to someone who only move is, I cut my commission. That's not a negotiation strategy. That's waving the white flag before the game even starts. If they can't negotiate for themselves, damn it, they can't negotiate for you. So that's gonna cost you thousands of dollars. So here's the bottom line. Hire a specialist, hire experience, hire someone who knows how to close the deals, not just open the doors. I'm Daly Braxton with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage, and when it comes to real estate in Jacksonville, Florida, I just don't play the game, I dominate it. For immediate action, call Daly Braxton for all your real estate transactions.